Gender Sensitization, Section 1. Understanding Gender Sensitization, Breaking Stereotypes and Biases in Policing. Let us begin with the foundation of today's transformative journey, understanding what gender sensitization truly means within the context of policing. You see, gender sensitization is not about ticking a box or completing a training checklist. It is about developing a deeper awareness, an inner clarity, on how gender influences our perceptions, our decisions, and our treatment of people within the systems we represent. It starts with a simple but powerful realization. Gender is not just about women, and it is definitely not a binary concept anymore. It is about acknowledging and respecting all gender identities, including men, women, transgender, intersex, and non-binary individuals, without bias, without assumption, and without prejudice. Now let us reflect for a moment. In our daily policing duties, how often do we pause and ask ourselves, are we responding to a complaint, or are we reacting based on a stereotype? Gender sensitization calls on us to become more than rule enforcers. It asks us to be aware of how unconscious biases shape the very language we use, the tone in which we speak, and the manner in which we act. Let's talk about some common misconceptions. Many believe that gender sensitization means offering women or LGBTQ+ persons special treatment. That is a myth. In truth, it is about ensuring equal dignity, equal protection, and equitable response, regardless of gender identity. And in the heart of Delhi, India's capital, a city filled with power, prestige, poverty, and patriarchy, this awareness becomes even more crucial. Because this city does not just need law and order, it needs justice delivered with empathy. Let us now identify the patterns of gender insensitivity that we, consciously or unconsciously, may have witnessed, or even perpetuated, in our own environments. Think of an FIR registration process. Have we ever heard or used phrases like, "Why were you out so late? What were you wearing? Are you sure this happened?" These are not neutral questions. They are loaded with bias. They shift blame from the accused to the survivor, damaging trust and deterring justice. Now let us consider how we approach members of the LGBTQ+ community. Have we assumed their complaint is less valid because of their identity? Have we dismissed them for being dramatic or misunderstood the law protecting their rights? This, too, is an area where sensitization must begin. What about inside our own departments? Have we ever sidelined women officers by confining them to desk jobs? Have we failed to act on harassment within our units? Have we used phrases like, "Ladkiyan to aisi hi hoti hain"?